Historic Cabbagetown. Charming 1,513 square feet. 1920 bungalow. Relax on your rocking chair, front or back porch, west/privacy fenced yard. Home has been completely restored, west/new windows, heating and air, instant hot water and original heart pine floors. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances and new cabinetry and even a built-in doghouse. Luxurious tiled master bath on main and also upper bedroom, west/skylit addition. 3 fireplaces. Flex/bonus room can be used for office, music room or 4th bedroom. Alarm system with 3 cameras. Brick off-street parking. Such an incredible home. Very walkable to Beltline, restaurants,